Malaysia has extended its partial nationwide lockdown until February the 18th. Now, this means that for many families, Chinese New Year celebrations are going to be a muted affair. At the same time, authorities have suggested steeper penalties for those who breach COVID-19 rules. Melissa Goh reports.
Malaysia has been in and out of movement control order to try rein in a raging pandemic. Now, the MCO 2.0, which is not as strict as the first MCO in March last year, did not help to contain a surge in sporadic cases. Now, this as daily new cases continue to skyrocket beyond 5,000, pushing death toll to above 770. Now, the densely populated Klang Valley is the worst hit as authorities step up testing in workplaces and other hotspots. Now, although restaurants and eateries, as well as shopping malls and supermarkets under MCO 2.0 can now open till 10 p.m. Senior Minister in charge of security said there is going to be stricter restrictions on the maximum number of customers allowed each time. This is to ensure that physical distancing measures are adhered to strictly. Social gatherings, group sports activities, mass prayers are still banned, while interstate travel is still prohibited, which means that many from the Chinese community that makes up less than a quarter of the country's population will have to skip family reunion this Lunar New Year. Now, visiting relatives and friends living within the 10-kilometer radius may also be a problem. Now, authorities are not taking chances now after the premature easing of travel restrictions last December during the year-end holiday has resulted in a spike of new clusters across all states.
Kes harian di kesemua negeri-negeri ini masih menunjukkan tren peningkatan dengan kadar positiviti dalam kluster adalah 20% hingga 40%. Selain daripada itu, penularan jangkitan sporadik dalam komuniti juga tinggi. Sidang khas hari ini bersetuju untuk melanjutkan PKP 2.0 di seluruh negara.
Now, the National Security Council, together with the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of National Unity, are currently working out the SOPs for this Chinese New Year that falls on February 11th. This as the country continues to struggle to rein in a surge in new cases that has put tremendous pressure on its healthcare system and further piling pressure on Prime Minister Muhyiddin's government that's currently ruling under a state of emergency till end of July. Melissa Goh, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.